Hello, everyone. Today we explore the concept of generalization. Imagine you're training a model to predict house prices based on their size. You show it many examples of houses and their actual prices. After training, how do we know if our model is truly good? A truly good model doesn't just remember the houses it has seen, it should also make accurate predictions for new, unseen houses it encounters in the real world. This ability is what we call generalization. To understand generalization, we first distinguish between two types of data. The data a model learns from is called training data. This is the historical information used to adjust the model's parameters. Then, there's unseen data, also known as test data. This consists of new examples that the model has never encountered during its learning phase. The true test of a model's usefulness is how well it performs on this unseen data, not just on the data it was trained on. Let's visualize this with a simple example. Here we have our training data points, representing a trend we want our model to learn. Initially, our model might be a simple line, far from the data. Through a learning process, the model gradually adjusts its shape, attempting to minimize the difference between its predictions and the actual training data points. The goal during training is to find a curve that reasonably fits these observed points. Now, consider a model that learns the training data too well. Instead of capturing the general trend, it memorizes every single data point, including any random fluctuations or noise. This is called overfitting. While this overfit model might achieve perfect accuracy on the training data, its highly complex and jagged curve suggests a problem. It has become too specific to the training examples and will likely perform very poorly on any new unseen data. On the other end of the spectrum, we have underfitting. This occurs when a model is too simple or lacks the complexity to even capture the basic patterns within the training data. Imagine trying to fit a complex, curved relationship with a single straight line. The underfit model fails to learn the essential trend, resulting in poor performance not just on unseen data, but even on the data it was trained on. It simply hasn't learned enough. The goal is to find a just right model that avoids both overfitting and underfitting. This ideal model is complex enough to capture the underlying patterns and trends in the training data, but simple enough to ignore the random noise. Its curve smoothly follows the general shape of the data without trying to hit every single point perfectly. This balance allows the model to generalize well, meaning it can make accurate predictions on data it has never seen before. Now, let's explicitly define generalization. It is a model's ability to perform well on unseen data that was not part of its training set. Consider our three models, the underfit, the overfit, and the just right one. When presented with new, unseen data points, the underfit model makes consistently poor predictions. The overfit model, despite its perfect training performance, also struggles, making wildly inaccurate predictions. However, the just right model consistently makes reasonable and accurate predictions on these new examples. This superior performance on unseen data is the hallmark of good generalization. For a model to generalize well, it's crucial that the unseen data comes from the same underlying distribution as the training data. Think of it as the unseen data belonging to the same worlds or pattern as the training data. If our training data represents houses in a specific city, then our unseen test data should also be houses from that same city, following similar pricing patterns. Visually, the cloud of unseen data points should largely overlap with, or extend naturally from, the cloud of training data points. What happens if the unseen data does not come from the same distribution? This is called distribution shift. Imagine our model was trained on house prices in a temperate climate, but then we ask it to predict prices for houses in a desert environment, which might have very different factors influencing price. Even if our model was just right for its original training data, it will likely make poor predictions on this shifted unseen data. A model hasn't learned the patterns relevant to this new world, leading to a breakdown in generalization. Generalization is not just an academic concept, it's critical for real-world applications. For instance, a medical diagnosis model must accurately predict diseases in new patients, not just those it was trained on. A self-driving car's perception system needs to correctly identify pedestrians and obstacles it has never seen before. Without good generalization, models are unreliable and can lead to incorrect decisions, making them unusable in practical, dynamic environments. It's the foundation of trustworthy artificial intelligence. To recap, generalization is a model's ability to perform well on data it has never seen before. We learned that overfitting happens when a model memorizes training noise, while underfitting means a model is too simple to learn the basic patterns. The ideal just right model balances complexity to capture trends without memorizing noise. Finally, for good generalization, unseen data must come from the same distribution as the training data. Understanding generalization is key to building robust and useful machine learning systems. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.